Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Framingham, Boston West. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Just outside of Boston and only 6.8 miles from a major shopping area, the Motel 6 in Framingham, Massachusetts offers convenient services and amenities for a comfortable stay. The pet-friendly Framingham Motel 6 features amenities such as coin laundry facilities. The guest rooms boast free local calls, extended cable TV and wireless internet access for a small fee. Motel 6 Boston West, Framingham is close to downtown Framingham and its various restaurants. Harvard University and Boston University are within a 30 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.